it. Number 3 is Anycubic Kobra 2 3D printer. Introducing the Anycubic Kobra 2, the ultimate 3D printer for statues that will leave you amazed. Say goodbye to endless waiting and hello to lightning-fast printing speeds. With the Kobra 2, you can save up to 70% of your precious time compared to other printers. It's like having a time machine for your creative ideas. This printer is an actual speed demon, reaching a maximum print speed of 250 millimeters per second. But don't worry, and it doesn't sacrifice precision for velocity. The recommended print speed of 150 millimeters per second ensures that your statue's intricate details are captured flawlessly. And with an accelerated speed of 2500 mm/s superscript 2, your creations will come to life in no time. Leveling has always been challenging with the brand new LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling system. It's like having your leveling assistant, eliminating the need for tedious manual adjustments. The Z offset can be tailored to fit your unique printing needs, ensuring perfect prints every time. Filament delivery is a breeze thanks to the dual-geared extrusion structure. With a powerful extruder reaching up to 60 watts, your filament melts quickly and flows smoothly, resulting in precise and efficient printing. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.